Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use custom dimensions in GetStencils. Using custom dimensions in GetStencil allows you to create design with specific size tailored to your needs. This is specifically useful when designing for different platforms or when you need a particular dimension for a print project. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com and log in to your account. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for a free account or choose a paid plan depending on your need. You can create a new design or choose a template from here. From here, click on this option. You can look for the custom size to create a custom dimensions. You can also select the predefined preset from here. To create a custom design, click on it and give it a name and type the width and height and click on Create button. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on Save to store it in your account. You can also download by clicking on Download button and choosing your preferred file format. By following these steps, you can easily create custom sized design in GetStencil for any project, giving you the flexibility to work with dimensions that fit your exact need. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.